How to calculate quantity of cement, sand, aggregate in concrete. So friends, today I show you how to find 1 cubic meter in concrete, how many bag of cement, sand and aggregate. It is a very important question for the interviewer and site engineer also. So how to calculate in one how many bag of cement in cement, one bag 1 cubic meter concrete. So let's we for uh, for make short video. I already prepare to the solve already in my khata. So let's I tell you how to calculate. I tell you the process. First we let consider the volume 1 cubic meter and dry volume of concrete 1.54 cubic meter. So how to get 1.54 cubic meter? Many book I can see that never anyone tell how to we get 1.54 cubic meter. So let's I also tell you, when concrete volume is make dry, then 54% extra volume we consider. This range will also 52 to 54%. So how to we get 1.54? 1 cubic meter plus 54% means what? 54 by 100, so 1.54 cubic meter. This extra dry volume will get the balance 1 cubic meter concrete after pouring water. So let we consider a grade M20. M20 grade is 1:1.5:3. So 1 is cement, okay, and 1.5 is sand and 3 is aggregate. So summation of ratio is 1 plus 1.5 plus 3, so 5.5, okay. And when we calculate the amount of the cement when in cubic meter, so 1.54 and 1, this is 1 ratio, so we 1 divided by 1, summation of the ratio 1.54, yeah, so equal to 0.28 cubic meter. So suppose in here anyone give you M25, so M25 means what? M25 means 1:1.1:2, so 4, so 1/4. When is we calculate the value of cement, when calculate the value of sand, so 1/4, and when calculate the value of aggregate 2/4. So in here we calculate the value of cement, so 1.5 1 by 155, so 0.28 cubic meter. When we find the value of in kg, 1.54 into 1.54 by 5.5 into 1440. This is the density of the cement. It is also important question for the interviewer, density of the cement. So density of the cement is 1440 equal to 403.2 kg, okay, 403.2 kg. And how to calculate the bag? We know 1 bag cement weight equal to 50 kg, okay. It is also a short question for SSC JE also. So density total kg per kg weight, so we get the bag amount, so 8.06 bag, okay. And how to calculate the value of CFT? We multiply the number of the bag by 1.266. So number of bag into multiplied by 1.266. How to we get the value of 1.226? Let's we discuss, okay. To find out the volume of 1 bag cubic cement, so mass by volume, so mass by density, so we get volume. So mass is what? Mass is 50 kg and volume is, I also again tell, 1440, so we get value the 0.0347 cubic meter. This is also a very important short question for interviewer asked as a site engineer. So volume of one bag cement is what? 0.0347 cubic meter. To convert unit measurement to cubic feet is 0.0347 into 35.3147. So 1 cubic meter, we know the one cubic meter equal to 353147 CFT. So we multiply this cubic meter, so we get value 1.225 CFT. Okay, let's also discuss about sand. Sand is sand value cubic meter in 1.54 into we can ratio what will take the ratio M20 1:1.5:3. So 1.5 sand amount, so 1.5 divided by 5, so 1.54 into 1.5, so 5.5, so we get value 0.42 cubic meter. When the value of the kg, so 1.54 into 1.54 1.5 by divided by 5.5 into 1450. This is the unit weight of the sand, and this value vary also 1450 to 1500 kg per meter cube. Okay, and CFT 1.50.1.5.5.5 into 35.314. So 1 cubic meter value also is, so we get the CFT multiply. And aggregate is also the same process, and again this is the coarse aggregate also. So coarse aggregate means 3 by the 5.5, 1.54 into 3 by 5.5, so we get value 0.84 cubic meter. And kg also same process, and this is also unit weight of aggregate, and unit weight of aggregate value vary 1450 to 1550 kg per meter cube. So CFT is 1.54 into 3 by 5.5 into 35.3147. This value also 1 cubic meter. So we get the value of CFT. If any doubt and any query, please tell me and comment, and I solve your problem. Okay, thanks.